So I'm changing the thermostat on my T770. The heat in the cab will go in and out between hot and cold, just whenever it wants to do its own thing. Got mine of its own. So first thing I checked was the coolant, and there's enough coolant in there, so I called the dealership. I was like, hey guys, what can this be? I thought it was like a control module or a relay or something, hell, who knows. They said, no, it's probably a thermostat. So they sent me parts diagram right here. So essentially, on the T770, this is a 2011 model. It has a Kubota engine. So at first I thought it was right here, but that's not the case. I didn't take it off or anything, but this has 4 bolts, and the one I want is 3 bolts. So it's right here. So I believe that's a 12 millimeter nut. Let me see. I got one in my pocket. Yep, that's what it will do. So I'll get this taken off and I'll bring you back. Okay, so word to the wise, when you take these 3 bolts out, you lift up on it, coolant is going to come out. I kind of expected that. So I was like, what is the best way to drain the coolant so I get this thing changed? Well, this hose right here connected down to here. Well, I said, let me get that undone and put a bucket under it. Well, Lord, you see, I got more on the ground than I do in the bucket, and that's probably a gallon or 2 in the bucket. And that shit's still coming out. It is everywhere. So I got to kick some dirt over this so the dog don't eat it and put her to sleep. All right, let me see if I can get this changed. And it's right there. The thermostat is. There's the old one. There's the new one. So we'll see if we can get her out. I believe it should just pop on out. Got the new one in. This thing really just popped right on out. It wasn't twisting there or anything. So super easy to put in, other than the damn coolant mess I have. But yeah, if I had a better way to drain that coolant, I could have had the thing probably in and out in 7 minutes maybe. I don't know. If you have the tools at hand. Alright, that's it. I'll let you know if that heat works any better. We'll see if this fixes it. Who knows? We'll find out.